guys, I am back, and I am back with a unboxing. As you guys know, I've been getting more and more into the LOL Surprise OMG dolls, and OMG, if you didn't know, stands for Outrageous Millennial Girls. And I picked this up at Target a while ago. I got a whole LOL Surprise and OMG lots of unboxings that are coming in the next few weeks. Of stuff that I just picked up and I wanted to share with you all. But this one is the Winter Chill series. And can you see all of that hollow on this box? It is so cute. And I have Icy Gurl and Brrr BB. So this is Icy Gurl here, and this is Brrr BB. And these are the Winter Chill playset. So it comes with the original little LOL Surprise, and then it comes with the LOL OMG. And then here is what the back looks like, and we get 25 surprises. And in this set we have Missy, Meow, Camp Cutie, Icy Gurl, and Big Wig. But you guys know I'm a little, not a snob, but I'm very particular about which dolls I like, and I like her right here. She is so cute, her little self. So we are going to unbox this. This comes off like this. And this is that good acetate plastic that you can use, not the front, but the back, if you make dioramas and things. And this is what she looks like. And it says pull here, and there's a little ribbon tab. So it's really, really adorably cute. That's what the back looks like without it. So we are going to, and it says, here's a little picture, it says, hey sis, so that's the little sister. So we are going to unbox this thing, and I'm going to try to, let's get my scissors. And these are pretty easy to unbox, because they want the boxes, they turn the boxes into play sets, so they're pretty easy to unbox, unlike the Rainbow High dolls, which has 50 million, and just like that, we've unboxed her. So stinking cute. So we just pull this straight out, and then this is what the inside of this looks like. It's like pearlescent in the inside. It is really adorable. I like this whole design here, and I love this little window. I think I'm going to cut that out later to use, because it has a little frosted snow look on it. So stinking cute. So let's put that to the side. And then we have lots of things. So we have her little garment bags, which I think are her big sister's garment bags. So yeah, they're her big sister's garment bags. So we have the two garment bags. We have, how is she in here? Oh, she's in here. Okay. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Then we have that. And then we have, oh gosh. Yeah, two more. Woo. And she's out. And here's Brrr BB, guys. She's really cute. She has a little hat. Her little hat fits. And then we push her down like this. And then she holds her little water bottle in her little hand. And there is Brrr BB. She's so cute. I love this color scheme. This little teal, turquoise, light pink, and fuchsia color scheme with a little black and white polka dots. It is so adorably cute. As you can see, Brrr BB is a squirter. So if you put her in water and you push her, she will squirt water out of her mouth. This is what the back looks like. Look at her adorable little shoes. It's so cute. So we'll just put her right there. Is she going to stand up? Yes. And then we have two more boxes for the big sister. We have her shoes. And then we have the hat box. So let's put this stuff here and let's take her out of the box. So we're just going to follow the directions. It says pull. We're going to pull, 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 pull. We're going to turn. I love this turning mechanism. I think it's adorable. And there she is. And it says, dress me. And you turn it this way. And there she is. Icy Gurl. And then here is the... Oops, there's a little thing in there. And then here is what the inside of this box looks like. So cute. So stinking cute. And it says Icy Gurl, conditions fierce, temp totally chill, and snowfall fresh. This is adorable. And if I collected the boxes, I would keep them, but I don't because I have no room for them in my studio. Oh my gosh, guys, she's so cute. Let's go down a little bit. Let's get all of her things out. We have her doll stand. Actually, it looks like there are two different doll stands. The clamp that goes around her body. Oh, that's different. We got two different ones. Okay. We got some plastic stays here. Let's get that foot out. And we got one around her waist. Then we got one around her feet here at the bottom. Then we have one around her hand here. And then I think... Wait. I think there's one. Oh no, her hair is just held in. Oh, she has a lot of hair, guys. She does have one. I see it. She has two big ones in the back. So this plastic is not heavy, so you can just flip it over, snip, snip, and she's free. Ta-da! Oh, this hair is so soft and so curly, but I think I'm gonna have to try to comb it out because, guys, woo, she got a lot of hair. I love the color. It's minty. It matches her little sister's hair. It's really cute. So let's get the other stuff out. Here is her part of the stand in here. I want to come out. Oh, there we go. So we got the stand, and then we got her little brush. And you guys know me, I don't really use the brushes, so we're just going to put that to the side. And ta-da! So let's put the stand together real quick. So we can stand her up. She is super adorable. And we could talk more about her outfit and all the things. So let me change the view so we can get a closer look of her, and I will be right back. All right, so I changed the view so we can get a better view. She is really cute. I am loving this hair, even though I need to tame it. She has a little curly Q, little adorable little curly Q. So you guys can get it. Little bangs. She has two ponytails. As you can see, they're really cute. They have like an iridescent sparkle to her hair. She's really cute. She has on these little black gloves here. As far as her makeup, as you can see, she has on pink gold glitter lipstick. Her eyes are a dark turquoise color. She has some pink eyeshadow here and there. And then she has like these little mint green colored freckles. So cute. And then she has on this little cute, adorable thermal outfit. One side is pink, one side is black. The middle of the shirt is white. And then she has on these really, really cute, adorable, as you can see, knee-high socks with a pink stripe around the side. So let's see what her shoes look like. We have here, what do we have here? Oh, so we have these cute pink shoes. They look like little cowboy boots to me. They're a pink iridescent. They have a slight sparkle to them. And I love these little shoe boxes. And like always, here's the front. Let's see what's in the hat box, shall we? Oh, there is something bigger. bigger in the hat. Oh, nope, I'm missing something else. Oh, what's these things here? They look like earrings. Yes, they are her earrings. That is really cute. Those are her earrings. We have her hat. Oh, there's one more thing. We have that. Let's see if there's anything else in there that comes out. And here is her cute little stinkingly adorable hat. And then here is her shades. So that was everything that was in the hat box. So you guys know what's next. Her clothes. So let's see what we got here. We have her pants here. Here's the front. Here's the back. And then this is probably her jacket. And this one. Yep, there's her jacket. Oh my gosh, there's her jacket. So let's get her dressed, shall we? And here she is. Ta-da! Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys. The pants, they went on super easy. The boots, you just have to use a little force and get them on, and they go on. The glasses, easy. This jacket right here, these little puffy sleeves, that was a no-go. That took me forever. I had to, literally get my tweezers and push and push and push, and I was, trying really, really, really hard not to break her little hands, because you know they got the cute little dainty fingers, the realistic fingers with the real cute painted on polish, and hers is a light pink. It is so adorable. But I had to get my tweezers to pull her hands out, because this part of this jacket is really, really, really tight. So I need them to not make these jackets so daggone tight, because that's ridiculous. And then here's her jacket, her pants, her shades are adorbs. Now, I did try to get this hat on, but it doesn't go with her two little ponytails. You would literally have to take them out in order to put this on, and I didn't feel like doing that because I like her little hair, even though I'm gonna have to comb it, but I like it. And then, of course, let's talk about the articulation real quick. So let's take these off. So the LOL OMGs, they have basic articulation where you can move the head side to side, a little up and down, but not really, more side to side. It rotates all the way like this. She has full articulation in her shoulder, her elbow, and her wrist, which is great. But where OMG needs to take a page out of Rainbow High with these legs, because she has articulation in her legs where they can go front and back, but that's it. There's no knee joint, there's no ankle joint. And I get the whole ankle joint thing because their feet are on a point like this for the shoes. But even if we got a knee joint, so we can make them move a little bit better with some more articulation, or a mid-thigh would be great. But other than that, she is super cute. She's at an affordable price point. She is $34.99. Her and her little sister. They're adorable. They're a nice little Christmas gift for your kid, or a gift for yourself for this winter holiday season. So adorable. So that's what we have here. This has been Kima with wildchildstudioco, and this has been the LOL Surprise OMG Winter Chill unboxing. And until next time, bye bye.